This student failed his driving test yesterday with 4 non-critical driving errors and 1 critical driving error. One was for incorrect signaling. So instead of putting the indicator on, he was activating his wipers. When you mix cars, you drive European car and then you drive Asian car, that problem usually happens. Make sure if you take a different car that you are not used to for the driving test, make sure you know that the signal is different than the one that you are used to, or in the first place you can take the car that you are used to for the driving test. The other minor error was for not doing a shoulder check when changing lanes. Anytime you change lanes, you need to make sure you do a shoulder check as well, so you don't run into any other cars in your blind spot. And in 2 occasions he drove too slow for the situation. One was on the main road traffic lights and one in residential areas. The critical driving error happened when the student faced yellow traffic lights. Yellow traffic lights, the student went to the middle of the intersection, passing the solid white line, the stop line, stopping in the middle of the intersection, being a bit hesitant with the yellow light. With the yellow light, if you can stop safely and smoothly with a nice and gentle brake, stop. And if you are too close to the traffic lights and your brake is going to be a very rough brake and you cannot stop behind the solid white line, you better go through the yellow light